Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be a what I ate today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for the day, show you what I eat. It's currently around 11 o'clock in the morning, so I've already gotten myself ready. I had my water as soon as I woke up. I did my little routine and then I went to the gym. I went to a really good spinning class, which was quite intense, but it was so good. So I've definitely worked up quite an appetite. But before I have my breakfast, I'm going to make myself a green juice. I mentioned in my last video that I just ordered myself a juicer and I'm so excited. It's arrived. So I've been having a green juice before I have my breakfast in the mornings and it's so good. It's just the most incredible way to get in lots of greens. So let's do that first. I'm going to show you guys what the recipe that I like to use is. So these are the ingredients that I really like to juice. So we've got a whole bunch of celery. Celery is really good for you. It's great for your skin, as is the cucumber. We've also got some ginger. This is 1 chopped apple. I've got 1 lemon and some spinach as well. And say hello to my new juicer. This is from Panasonic. It is a slow press juicer, so it crushes and squeezes the fruits and vegetables as opposed to spinning it like a centrifugal juicer. And I like this one as well because it's nice and compact, so it doesn't take up too much space on my counter. Done. I know that this might look a little bit intense because it is very green, but because we have the apple, the lemon, and the ginger, it actually gives it a really nice taste. So I would recommend this recipe. So good. This is the pulp, by the way, so it's actually not that much considering everything that we juiced, and it's relatively dry. So that's one of the benefits of having a slow press juicer, is that you really do get a lot of juice out of your veggies. So I've had my juice. I'm now going to prepare myself the main part of my breakfast, which is oats. So I take 1 part oats to about 2 parts water. So you always want to double the amount of liquid to your oats. You could also make this with almond milk. I like to add in some cinnamon, quite a lot of cinnamon actually. I love cinnamon. I also really like this wild honey, so I take about a tablespoon of that. Gives it a nice sweetness. Oh, and it smells so good. And I just poured in some frozen raspberries as well to mix all of that together. It's gonna be so delicious. Just topping that with some fresh blueberries and some crushed walnuts. And some chia seeds. This is literally the best breakfast ever. It's also really nice now when it's cold outside because this is nice and warm and it's just so comforting and filling and super healthy. There's nothing bad in here. So I just love this breakfast so much. I look forward to this every single morning. So it is time for some lunch. I've just taken out a few ingredients for a salad. We've also got some sweet potatoes baking in the oven. Whew, that's hot. I just sliced these in half and I popped them in about 45 minutes ago. So they're just about ready. So I'm gonna do just a really quick bowl, and these are the fresh ingredients. So we've got some baby spinach. This is some quinoa. I made this yesterday, so I have some left over. I've also chopped up some beautiful fresh parsley. And then we've got some tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, and I'm going to be juicing this lemon as a salad dressing. You can use pretty much any ingredients that you have, or if you prefer different types of lettuce. I'm actually just going to put all of that in there. But something like quinoa, for example, is great, and it is so filling, and it's so good for you. This is a complete protein, so it's got all of the essential amino acids in here. Then the fresh parsley and the cherry tomatoes.
Boy, I'm thinking about taking this banner down. Take notice and come around. If you walk right past me one more time like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Whoa, show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. It is way past time. How expensive do I have to?
So this is my lunch today. Super simple, straightforward as always, but still really good, with that beautiful sweet potato on the side and of course some avocado. Hello guys, it is the next day. I wanted to come back on and say thank you so much for watching. Last night I had dinner with a friend of mine. Her name is HASAN. She does microblading and she actually lives in London, but she's here in Munich for the weekend. I was totally in the mood for a veggie burger and actually thought that they were going to have a veggie burger at this place that we went to last night, but they did not. So I ended up having a salad with a bed of rice underneath and also a warm tomato carrot soup, which was delicious. So that was really nice, and we just chatted and talked and caught up. She's actually gonna do a touch-up on my brows right now, so I'm gonna leave the apartment and go meet her again, and then I think we're just gonna spend some more time in the city walking around. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, found some inspiration. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know below if you would want to see more videos like this, or what you're really in the mood to see on my channel. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having a really nice day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.